Hello everybody. It's in the middle of the night, so I won't talk very loud. When I went to the toy store in Stockholm, I didn't buy much because, well, I didn't really find really what I was looking for. But I found this. It was on sale. It was like really cheap, like $4. It's usually not that cheap, but it's a YouTuber. Pocket.watch love Diana. The family is a very big children's channel on YouTube, and I found this dolls, and I heard like a little girl. She was like so. I said, "Oh, it's love Diana! Wow!" And so, since it was very worth the price, I guess I got one of. They had all these. They didn't have the superhero, I think, but they had these, and so I was thinking of doing a small review of this one, because when I heard the little girls like, oh, "Wow, it's love Diana, love Diana, love Diana," I thought this must be like really popular. So I'll check it out. The clothes look really cool. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. Come on. So okay. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay. The package was very easy to open, so that's good. It's very good for kids. And the hair looks like the hair is quite okay. These are just, the headbands. They're just like they're very cute, but they're like pearls, kid pearls, in a very easy to break ribbon band, like here, like a dress band, but it's like pearls. Okay, and the pants are like, you can take them on off. Look at boy. Okay, Head Start 2020. Okay, it's an old one or what? Pocket.watch love Diana. Okay, no, Pocket 2020. Maybe it's when they started. I don't know. Head Start. Okay. Flamingos on the dress. Okay. I will remove the clothes. Yes, the shoes are kind of cute. Remove the clothes to see. The shoes, they're kind of cute. It reminds me of a Cindy shoe. It's like, it says like a D. So. I like the shoes. It's like real made shoes, and it's a number on the back. The dress, how it's made, it reminds me of like the Evil Love dress. Evil Love is Simba Toys from Germany, but I'm sure it's not the same company because it says Head Start. It's not Simba Toys. And it has panties on. It's appropriate. And these are like very, very cute. Trousers, very cute. Good quality. The knees won't bend. she can sit like this, and then like this. This doll reminds me a bit of the My Little Pony Megan dolls from the 80s. A little bit. Well, it's maybe not it's not a doll I will collect, but I was a bit curious about this doll, and it's a very good for kids, good present for kids, and I'm sure how to get on again. And I'm sure it will be popular if you have like a kid that watches Diana, Pocket Watch family channels. I think they have like 3 channels or something. I don't really know about the channel, but it seems like you know, like Ryan Toys, that kind of channel. So it's nothing. It doesn't look like anything really bad. So it looks like a good kids channel. So well, she has a cute face. She has this. I really think her face reminds me a bit of Megan, but it's a bigger face, and the clothes have like it's a real tag. It's not, so it's made for the doll, I believe. Maybe they just put the tag on it, but I don't think so. It's cute, and oh. The shoes are a bit hard. The clothes are a bit hard to put on, but it's no big deal. It's a little brush with cute art. It's like it's a cute brush. Okay, so this one pocket watch. I don't know why it's called pocket watch. Okay, and there is 6 Diana dolls to collect. This is ballerina Diana. There is a birthday, princess, doctor, hairdresser, ballerina, superhero. Well, match up our outfits. Well, let's start and made in Australia. Okay, let's start Australia. Well, it's a cute dog. I'm sure kids will love it if they like the series and the YouTube channel. Maybe you can go check it out if you wonder what the channel is. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe if you want to. Bye.